In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Wrike, a useful tool for managing your projects more efficiently. Wrike's templates are perfect for streamlining repetitive tasks and ensuring consistency across projects. Let's dive into the steps, ensuring you have a clear roadmap to get started. First, head over to wrike.com. In the upper right corner, you'll find the login button. Click on it and use your email to log into your account. This will take you directly to your workspace where you can start organizing your tasks more efficiently. Now let's organize your workspace to support template creation. You'll want to create a new folder which serves as a hub for all your templates. Name this folder Templates. It's important to have a designated space as it keeps all your templates neatly in one place, making it easier to manage and access them whenever you need. Depending on your organizational structure, you have two choices for placing this templates folder. If you're working in a single unified workspace, placing it directly under your root folder might be the way to go. However, if your organization spans across multiple departments and uses Wrike extensively, it could be more efficient to create the templates folder within the department-specific folder. This keeps things compartmentalized and easier for teams to navigate. Once your templates folder is set up, it's time to create subfolders for specific projects you find yourself repeating often. These subfolders act as blueprints for those recurring projects, saving you from having to start from scratch each time a similar project comes up. Choose a project you frequently manage and create a subfolder with its name inside the templates folder. With your subfolder in place, the next step is to start building out the tasks associated with this project. Think through every stage, from inception through to completion, and list out all the tasks that need to be accomplished. This thorough breakdown ensures nothing important is overlooked. Next, go through each task and set its duration. This is about understanding the timeline of your project, knowing how long each piece of work takes, and planning accordingly. Once this is done, examine the workflow to determine if there are any dependencies between tasks. Some tasks may need to start or finish before others can begin. Identifying these dependencies is crucial to prevent bottlenecks and keep your project flowing smoothly. But if you find that your tasks are independent and can occur simultaneously, you won't need to set up dependencies and you can move right along. Finally, after establishing your tasks and their dependencies, change the status of each task to deferred. This important step will ensure that your template remains ready and untouched for the next project, as opposed to being marked as active prematurely. And there you have it. With your new template in Wrike, managing repeat projects will be much more efficient, leaving you with more time to focus on the things that truly matter. Happy organizing?